Good morning, nice to see you. Hello to A,
Hello to B,
hello to C,
hello to D.
hello to E. Good morning, nice to see you. Yay, good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
At first, I thought this was going to be stressful, but this is actually pretty calm. Hi everyone, my name is Tiana. Let's practice English and cook with me on EBC Saturday 9th October at 9 a.m. See you, don't miss it.
Yeah, don't be afraid to try speak English everywhere. Please open your jus ama or your Al-Quran, yeah? We will together. Are you ready? All the students at home?
Yes, I'm
Okay, yeah, back again with us, Ustazah Endang and Ustazah Yulika, the cute Ustazah, the most cute Ustazah.
Okay,
Al Falah.
after this, we are going to call our guest star.
Okay, yeah, are you ready? Where is my guest star? Yeah, please welcome Jamaluddin. Yeah. At home, all the students at home, please prepare all the material in front of you. And Jay will start our cooking today. Jay, time for you. 1, 2, 3, go, please.
Okay, before that, you have to
Okay.
your clothes. Everyone,
Yeah.
Put on your clothes.
everyone.
I will use.
Put on your gloves
Yeah.
now.
Please don't forget, student at home, wash your hands. Yeah, if you don't have a plastic glove, you may wash your hand first.
Yeah, you can make it.
You should. You may open your Oreo. Yeah.
Everyone, let's follow Jamaluddin. Follow your Oreo.
If there is no Oreo, we can sing another biscuit, right? Yeah.
Share
Open
with
your
Ustazah and
Oreo or biscuit at home and put in the plastic bag.
Yeah.
Wait,
And then, hey,
zip it.
zip
Zip.
the plastic
Zip the plastic bag.
I'll move here so you can shoot in the camera.
And
Sama
then
here.
be careful. Oh yeah.
And then
Actually, you can use ulek-ulek. And then it is roll.
can I help you? I have a strong power.
Oh.
Okay.
Have the strongest power.
Mash all the biscuits, right? Yeah. Now at home, please.
I'm
Mash
smarter
your
than Saggy.
biscuit. Silakan.
What is the
My
next step?
first ball. Ustazah Ella
Right.
first ball.
Over next step, do this.
So
And
it's
then-
about roll.
And
Like
you either have to roll it or squeeze it.
Oh yeah.
And then just put it on here,
Yeah.
on your green plate.
Okay,
Okay.
green plate.
And then
Ayo deh, kaki deh diterusin deh.
can I take a ball?
Yes, susah dah.
Ah, nice. Wow, my goodness. I love it. Ah, nice. Wow, my goodness. I love it.
Yes.
One hundred and 12 players. From to C, and then Aska from 1 and Aika from